Today, we are going to discuss the connection between John Deere Operations Center and Climate FieldView. In just under 5 minutes, you can connect Climate FieldView to John Deere Operations Center. I will walk you through how to make that connection now, but you're also able to reference the John Deere YouTube video at a later date by navigating to the question mark on the top ribbon of Operations Center and selecting How To Videos. After logging into John Deere Operations Center, navigate to the Setup button on the top ribbon and select Connections. In the drop-down menu, search for Climate FieldView. There will be two connections here, the General Climate FieldView and the Data Retrieval connection. We will click Connect on the Data Retrieval connection. After selecting Connect, you will be prompted to select what types of work you want to retrieve from FieldView. In the Work Type drop-down menu, select the operation you wish to pull from, harvest, application, or seeding. Then, select the start date on which you'd like to pull data back from. Click Add Work Type and repeat for all work types you wish to retrieve. Once completed, click Connect on the bottom right. After you have made the connection in Operations Center, you will be redirected to Climate FieldView's login page. Log in using your credentials. Next, a prompt will list out the data you are going to retrieve. If the list is accurate and meets your request, click Allow. Now, you will be redirected to Operations Center to review the data that is being imported. Once you have finished reviewing, click the X in the top right corner to exit. Congratulations! You successfully added a data retrieval connection for Climate FieldView. From here on out, your data from FieldView will automatically be pulled into Operations Center for review and analysis. Thanks for tuning in today.